Welcome back to Glow Foundation. Today we are here to discuss about top online clothes shopping online sites by which you can know about the best online shopping sites. From this site you feel safe and secure in online shopping. Then let's start to know about these sites. So our first site is Myntra.com. This site is known for its designful dresses, and from here you can get best out of best dresses. So let's move to the next site. So our next site is Bewakoof.com. From here you can get men's casual shoes, dress, and very unfortunate dresses. So let's move to the next site. So our next site is Zeo.com. This site is related to Zeo company, and this site is known for its designful dresses for child's, women's, men's. So our next site is Amazon In. You know about this site very usefully, and this site is known for everything. This site have casual shoes and every etc things for man, woman, child, and every person. So let's move to the next site, Flipkart. This site is very useful for us because this site provide us electronics things and casual dresses and beautiful and colorful dresses. For this sites, our next site is TataClick.com. This site is related to Tata company. You know very well about Tata Tea, Tata motorbikes, motor companies, and this company is also known for its beautiful designs and colors. Tata Click. So let's move to the next site. So our next site is Coofs.com. Coofs.com is a very nice site from where you can design your own clothes and from where you can get your own colors, own designs, and own casual dresses. This site is very useful for us because from here you can create your own clothes, and it is very safeful and careful sites. So our next site is Shopperstops.com. This site is known for its casual dresses for man, woman, child, and every person. So let's move to the next site, Max Fashion. This site is known for its max level fashions. This create a new fashion in the new technology. This is a max level company. So let's move to the last company, Biva.in. This company is also known for its casual dresses, shoes, tie, and etc things. So please, if you like this video and this informations, so like, share, subscribe our YouTube channel. So thank you everyone.